What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. This video is going to be about at-home bikini waxing. I've been doing home bikini waxing for about 3 months now. So I do it about once a month and sometimes even every 3 weeks, depending on hair growth, you know what I mean? So this is really your preference if you prefer shaving or not shaving, if you like hair down there, if you like Brazilian wax, or if you want to leave like a little piece, whatever. This is just a little tutorial, I guess, on how to do it at home, because I have gone to a professional Brazilian waxer, but she is too expensive. It's not that she doesn't do a great job, but she costs $80 every time, and I'm having to go every 3 weeks. Sometimes I can go a month, but that's really pushing it. And whenever I do it at home, I only spend $11 each time I do it, and I could actually use one bottle of the wax twice. So yeah, I highly recommend bikini waxing versus going to a salon. If you guys are a little experienced with waxing, and I mean, it's really not that hard. You don't need a license, and if you have help, especially like your significant other is willing to help you, it helps a lot. Okay, so first you're gonna need the Brazilian wax kit. So I have the GiGi Brazilian wax, and I'm gonna like post a picture on the next clip. So I've already used half of it, but as you can see, I only use like that much. So I can use this maybe twice, but I'm not gonna try and do that and then run out of wax. So I just usually do 2 per bottle, and this is what it looks like. It's called GiGi Brazilian Bikini Wax. So the kit is gonna come with this. It's gonna come with pre-hon. It's called pre-wax cleanser. Come with the pre-epilation oil, preparation for hard wax, and then it's gonna come with the wax off, and then last but not least, it's gonna come with the slow grow. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna let you guys know how that works, or how the steps goes. But it also comes with these sticks, so it'll help you get the wax, of course, and apply it onto your vajayjay. Okay, so first you're gonna want to clean the area. Oh yeah, so hair growth, you're gonna want like, I think it's supposed to be like 2 inch. So first things first, you're gonna want to clean it, and it comes with the pre-hon, which is the cleanser that they give you. So you just want to take like a cotton ball and just kind of wipe it, the area, and it's kind of like an alcohol almost. Okay, so the second thing, the pre-epilation oil. So this kind of makes the process not as painful, and so you basically like get another cotton ball and then just wipe it all over everywhere. So yeah, those are the first 2 things that you're going to use. And then, so once you get the bikini wax, you put it in the microwave for a minute. Well, first do 30 seconds and then another 30 seconds, so it's not gonna be like shocking to you guys. Don't do over 1 minute for sure. So the inside is gonna get hot first, and the bottom is gonna get hot first. So if you put it for a minute and you think that it's not hard, poke it with the little stick that they give you, and then like mix it, because I'm telling you, it's gonna be hot sometimes, like, because the top part is still gonna look hard, but once you like stick it in, it's gonna burst. And like, that's why you have these little, I have these little thing, because I made a mistake of like poking it too hard and it bursted and it actually burnt me. So be careful. And you're gonna want to take a paper towel. So once like it's already heated, put a paper towel down here so you don't make a mess. And like where you're gonna do your waxing, put another paper towel underneath because it's probably gonna drip down depending on how hot the wax is. Okay, so pain tolerance. It's painful. It's like 100% painful. Worth it in my opinion because my hair does not grow as fast and I don't have as much hair from when I used to shave. So it does pull from the root, which is why it's so painful, but it's quick pain. It's like and then pain and then gone. So yeah, if you can get over that, then I like in the beginning I think I did like too small of a section, so don't do that. Do big sections and then just rip it, and just do like depending on how much hair you have. Of course, like the more often you do it, the less painful it will become, because first of all you're already used to the pain, second of all you're not gonna have much hair. So yeah, that's why I highly recommend Brazilian wax versus shaving and you don't get ingrowns. Well, I don't anyway. So I used to have like little bumps whenever I shave, but now that I've started waxing, I don't get bumps at all or any painful ingrowns down there. So okay, what was I saying? Pain, yes, it does hurt. Okay, so application. So you want to get the big one like this, and you're just gonna scoop as much as you can. And okay, so first of all, I'm not a professional. Oops. I'm not a professional, by the way, but I do have my nail technician license, and well, that's not waxing, but yeah, just a little disclaimer that I'm not a professional, but anybody can do this, anybody. So get a big scoop of wax and then start from the top, and you're just gonna like, okay, so your hair is growing down like this, so you put the wax down, okay, and then like once you get to the bottom, you do this little movement, so like the wax doesn't completely drip, so you're gonna scoop it up back up like that. Okay, so you're gonna let it dry for a couple of seconds. Don't leave it on for too long. And then what you're gonna do is basically, okay, so like let's say it's like right here, right, and you're gonna pull this way. Okay, so you're gonna want to press down right here, and then with this hand just do that, like, okay, so you're gonna want to pull this way. Don't pull this way, don't pull that way. You want to pull as close to your skin as possible and do it fast. So like it should be fast. So yeah, and then yeah, so you just pretty much like go section to section, and then waxing. And then once you get to the, okay, so this is your vajayjay. Once you get like in this little section right here, it's the most painful thing. Okay, so you're gonna want to apply it like a big section like right here. So this is your little lip area, so you're gonna want to apply it like that, and then like your hair pretty much ends like right here close to your butt, but yeah, so like just do this whole section right here, like from this to this, and then just go for it, and then another one right here. And then if you want to, like in this little area, you're gonna have to spread it, because it's, unless yours is big, but you're gonna have to spread that. And then like somehow you could get like, I don't know, something to pinch your skin open, or you could just hold it like this and then like apply it inside, or you could tweeze it. Okay, so yeah, just go section to section. Like I said, like if your hair is growing down, apply the wax down and then pull up close to your skin. And like sometimes I get hair that grows sideways, so I'll pry it sideways and then pull the opposite direction that it grows. Tweezing. So that is my last thing that I do, is tweeze. Sometimes if I can't stand the pain, and I don't have much hair, or if even if I do, I'll start tweezing, because I can stand tweezing versus the wax. But if I know, like, okay, so don't put the same wax twice over your skin twice. So like, especially in the sensitive area, don't do that, because first of all, it hurts, and the wax is hot, and it's probably gonna be like super sensitive. So I try not to do that. Usually when I don't get like all of the hair, I'll start tweezing in that area. And then, but in this like area right here closer to your stomach, it's not as painful as it is over here. But okay, so like inside your lips, it's not painful at all. It's just like around it, like on the lip, and then on top, that's where it's most painful. And like closer to your butt, it's not painful at all. But it's kind of hard to do your butt unless you have somebody helping you. What else? Tweezing is, yeah, like I said, tweezing is not hard, especially when your area is like used to the pain. You could like literally just like tweeze all day, and it doesn't hurt at all. When you do like find yourself getting too much in pain, try putting some more of the pre-epilation oil. I feel like that helps with the pain. Or take Advil before, or ibuprofen before you start waxing. What else? Okay, so if you do like put that wax on and you're just like, nope, I'm not gonna do this, it's too much anxiety, they have the wax off, so you pretty much like pour, it's like lotion consistency, and you put that on there and then let it dry. In my opinion, it sucks. I think you should just go for it. Just like, if it's already on there, just rip it off, because this thing will probably hurt just as much as if you would have just pulled it, because the wax off that they give you is, I mean, it's, I don't know, I've never really tried it on wax on hair, but I have had some wax on my hands before, and I tried to use that, and I pretty much like had to peel it, because it works horrible. Okay, after you wax and tweeze, they do give you this slow grow little thing. So yeah, just take like a cotton ball and then start putting that everywhere, and it is like a lotion consistency as well. Okay, so try not to wear underwear after you've waxed. I usually do mine at night, and then during the day I'll just wear like something light, something that I can't feel, so something that is not gonna press onto your skin as hard. So don't wear skinny jeans, wear something loose. But I mean, once you get used to it, later on it will start to feel comfortable. After the process is over, it's like the pain is not even that bad. Afterwards, you're probably gonna be like, oh, this is nice, because it's like smooth down there, and then you're gonna want to do it again. Yeah, but so the very first time I got it done professionally, and it hurt, but she did it so fast, and she worked with me. Like, there's the breathing process that she does made me do. But honestly, it's best to just like do it when you're least expecting it, because when you're like 1, 2, 3 and then do it, like your body knows that you're about to go through a lot of pain, so it's best to just like do it. So my husband does do it for me. I don't do it because I can't I can't I don't know, I just don't, I can't put myself in that much pain, like personally, like doing it to myself. But if somebody else were to do it, I'm fine. Okay, so first time, I keep getting sidetracked. First time I got it done professionally. Second time I went back. The third time it was just getting too expensive. So that's when I started buying the kit and I started doing it at home. So since I've already had like a pretty good foundation down there, like I didn't have as much hair as I did when I first came the first time and the second time, it wasn't too bad. So I recommend you guys to go to a professional first, just so you can kind of see, and they can do it, they do it faster than you would, so you could experience it that way. And the second time you could just do it yourself, but you try not to wait too long the second time, because if you, I mean, whenever you do wait long, it's gonna grow back like how it was when you were shaving it. So yeah, I really do recommend this because it versus going to a professional, because it does get expensive if you're brave. But I'm cheap, so I do I don't mind doing this at home at all. And what else? I think that's pretty much it. I think I covered everything. Like when you're doing waxing, never will you ever shave. You shouldn't have to, and you shouldn't, period, because you don't want to cut the hair off just like that. You want to get it from the roots, especially when you're waxing, because it could mess up, like once like your hair starts growing and you're doing bikini waxing and then you decide to shave, you're gonna start over to the very first time, like the very first time when you did the bikini wax. So yeah, if you have any question for me, leave them down below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for fitness related stuff. So yeah, all right, see you next time. Bye.